Karita Baupichiter, a senior Thai economist from Thailand Development Research Institute, has said that the U.S. interest rate hikes will increase the risk of capital outflows in emerging economies, and will put countries with too much U.S. dollar-denominated debt in trouble.
Definitely will be risk for countries, especially countries, that have a lot of capital inflows that are short term and can flow out easily. So those countries definitely will, face, the outflows issue, because when their interest rates and interest rate in the US is very far apart, then money will flow out. So what they will do is they will need to try to raise the interest rates as well. And in times of inflation like this, in times of, just post-recovery from the COVID, raising interest rates, very quickly definitely will hurt. It will hurt the recovery of the demand in those countries. So there definitely are countries that will be hurt from this. On the other hand, if countries have a lot of foreign debt, for example, especially in US dollars, they would also face a lot of problems, because the US dollar now, is appreciating. When, US interest rates go up, people move their money to the US. So, US currency, or the US dollar, has been strengthening since the middle of last year. Plus, the interest rates in the US have gone up. So if you have a lot of US dollar debt, then it will be more difficult for that country to finance their loans. So countries with a lot of capital outflows that need to raise interest rates, and of course countries that have a lot of US dollar denominated debt will be in trouble.